In this video, we are going to take a look at another yet bizarre feature of Python, the try-else construct. In a previous video, we took a look at the for-else construct. If you're not familiar with this construct, you can have a look at the video. As you can see, we start with the try-except block, and I'm sure that everyone is familiar with this type of construct. In the try-except block, we execute a method, and if an exception occurs, the except block will get executed, so the method handle exception will be executed. If no exception is raised, then the else block will be executed, meaning the method do another thing will get called. However, there are some use cases we have to look at in order to better understand why the else keyword was introduced in this try-else construct. One question you might ask yourself, why not do we add the else block, do another thing method, after the execute something method? And you would be correct. However, the downside of this is that now we don't know where the exception occurred. We don't know if the exception occurred in the execute something method or in the do another thing method. In this try-except else construct, both the open method and the readLines method can generate the same exception, the IO error exception. However, we are interested in handling only the IO error exception when opening the file. The try-else construct supports the finally clause, with the distinction that finally is called every time, no matter where the exception occurs, whether it is in the except block or in the else block. Thanks for watching, be sure to give a big like to support the YouTube algorithm, and see you in the next one.